of this chapter. Or tomorrow onwards, we'll start the new chapter, manufacturing industries from geography. Okay, chapter 6. So later on, we'll discuss about the manufacturing industries. So today we are going to discuss summarize or maybe the summary of the chapter 7 and outcomes of democracy. So in this chapter we have discussed how the democracy is the best form in comparative the other democracy. So in simple, earlier we were discussed in class 9th also, because most of chapter in class 9 consider with the democracy. So what is the democracy we have discussed in class 9 in details, which country are proper democratic or not, or other country where the what are the features required to make a fully democratic countries. So we have discussed the fully democratic countries. Okay. Why? Because I am taking your screenshot due to the your for your attendance during morning. Your Lisa ma'am has forget. So later on we have discussed in the class 9 which what are the features where the more than one political party election regularly held after intervals in which the where all equal rights given to the citizens. So these are the point we have discussed about the democracy. What are democracy features we have discussed. So in this, why is the democracy the best form? Because in this form, people they can represent, means they can choose or represent their leaders or elected members only through the votings, through the voting. Or one vote, one value होती है. There is the same value for the president to the ordinary citizens. So in this chapter we have discussed why the democracy. In democracy, better decisions are taken, or in democracy we can correct our own mistakes. Suppose due to by mistake we have taken the wrong decision for a nation or maybe the state or a particular area, so we can improve our decision. So decision improve quality also better in the democracy. In democracy we can enjoy our rights, lot of freedom given to the citizen, like a fundamental rights are given, equality also. If you maybe face any problem or maybe like inequality or your rights may be violated, so we can approach to the judiciary. Separation power given in the democracy, vertical horizontal power we have discussed. There are different levels of government, center, state and local, different department allotted, different like a revenue collection. All the details are given in our constitution. So democracy is the better form where we can choose, means the where the lot of political parties are available, means the. So democracy of democracy required to form the government, to run the government, we have discussed in this chapter. Those representatives we have elected, so they can take the decision in our behalf. They can take decision related to constituencies, what are the development programs. So some merit and demerit also we have discussed in this regarding the democracy in this chapter. What are the merit? Merit means the decisions, good decisions, regular elections. If we are not satisfied with the any political party, we can reject or maybe the change the political party. Some demerit are like there is no such scope for moral values. Moral values के लिए कोई scope नहीं होता. In also means the increase the malpractices to win the election or won the election. So different leaders use like a money or criminal record or muscle powers. Decisions are delayed in democracy. ये demerit है. Some demerit like a less economical growth rate compared than the dictatorship or other nation or monarchy nation. So these are the demerit of this democracy. But after all, except economic growth or maybe the few point, if we live, so democracy is better in other. respective matters. So in other respective matters, democracy is the best form compared than that. So these are the output we have discussed in this chapter regarding responsibility. It is the legal form of the democracy. In democracy is the legal. How we can say legal key people can represent their leaders, or which political party gain a 50% more than seats. Such political party from the government majority. Sometimes it may be the coalition government. So democracy is the best than the other. Or in other form of government, one man maybe misuse her or his power. Most of decision taken by the only single person in dictatorship. You can take the example of Hitler, Germans, or like this. Nepal example related to Nepal, Gyanendra Singh, a ruler. Take the another one example from the Pakistan, General Pervez Musharraf misuse the powers. So these are the demerit or maybe of the some. So these are the chapter we have discussed. If you have any doubt in this chapter, you may be asked here. Or tomorrow onwards, we'll continue with the sixth chapter. Because after a break today, when I decided it better than to start new chapter, so tomorrow onwards we'll start. Today we'll summarize the chapter and NCRT solution. So if you are in doubt there, you may be asked.